Ang pwede mo pala ngayon with Sam Concepcion, Young JD, and Morning Glory Band. Here's the pop rock princess, Yeng! Concepcion! Let's go! Hey! Everybody put your hands up! And where's your hands? Hey! Where's your hands? That airplane, night sky. Hey! Right now, wish right now, wish right now. Let's go, Sam. Hey! Yeah, I can use a dream over a genie's or a wish. To go back to a place much simpler than this. You got to roll a party in this mansion and crashing. You know the glitz in the glam is a passion. And all the pandemonium and all the madness. Become a time when you face to the blackness. And when you're starting the phone and you laugh and you're hungry, but the people never call you back. But that just had a story unfold. You get another hand soon after you sold. After you and when your lands on the level of the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplanes, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, you don't close that gate. If I don't make that, I'll be right back at it. But it's no more, I'll be right back to the same.
And that airplane, I sky like shooting stars. So right now,
Wish right now, wish right now.
and that airplane, sky like shooting stars. Right now,
Wish right now.
somebody take me back to the day before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my face. When I was trying to get it taken somewhere, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rap to stay relevant. But I guess it takes when you make the wish out of airplane. Then maybe, oh maybe I'll go back to the day. When that airplane, that night sky,
Everybody clap your hands.
yeah, right now, just right now, just right now. I'm gonna sing that airplane to the night sky, to the stars, right now, it's right now, it's right now.
Hey! I can really use the wish right now. I can really use the wish right now. Wish right now. I can really use the wish right now. Right now. I can really use the wish right now.